There are 36 smart carts here. They're divided between the two systems, the fascia line and the front end module line.
Prior to the smart carts, we were using a rotating carousel. It was a 12-position carousel. It was very large and it made material delivery very difficult to do. We found that we needed about 30 stations, and with the carousel, to do 30 stations would take up about our entire building and waste a lot of space. So what we did with the carts is we were able to come up with a flexible line and a flexible layout where we kind of flex the line around all of our, what we call monuments in our plant, things we can't move. The thing you can't put a cost to is the flexibility in the future. We know that when this program's over, we can use it for our next program, and you can't always do that with a carousel.
Assembly lines tend to be very congested. There's maybe 2 feet between vehicles. They pace themselves from station to station to station. Depending on what you're assembling, Magna had front fascia and front end module assemblies.
The way we have our system set up is the AGC stop at each station, and when they're done with the work, it sends one bit to the server and releases all the carts at the same time.
The installation with the SmartCart system with the tape is not very long, so it's a flexible piece of automation. So for Magna, I believe the actual installation was 2 to 3 weeks.
At the end of the day, the AGCs was the only option that really provided the flexibility that we needed with the complexity of the parts that we build. Especially with lean manufacturing kind of paving the way too. It's one of the only assembly lines that kind of allow the flexibility to make changes and continuous improvement. And that's the culture we're really trying to drive here, is continuous improvement. And with a traditional assembly line, it makes doing that very difficult. Here we can eliminate a station, and all we got to do is move the tape around and we've got a new assembly line.
I think they bought the SmartCart solution because Webb has a superior reputation providing a high-quality product, a strong engineering team, and a customer service support after the sale that will enable them to feel confident all the way through.
Any support that we did need, we got people down here, at 4 in the morning, working on it all day to fix whatever we had. In the past few months, I can't think of a single agency issue that we've had, to be honest. I think at the end of the day, everyone's always interested to try something new. It's kind of cool being on the forefront of a new technology.